Hello from Alder Residences here in Acacia Estates, Taguig City. We're finally here in Andea building. Hi, my name is Arnie. I'm a licensed broker here in the Philippines, specializing in condominiums for rent and for sale within Taguig and nearby cities. So today is the first turnover day of Alder Residences, and we're here on the fourth floor of Andea building. We're going to check 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and 2 balconies. Before we proceed, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. And also, if you need bank financing assistance and you have a unit in Manzuria, Oregon, and Sylvan buildings, don't hesitate to contact me via Viber, WhatsApp, or email. You can see the details here or in the video description. So let me show you around. This is the road. This is Mahogany, and this is Alder Residences. Okay. That is Cedar Crest. And then here, when you go straight and turn left, that's going to Save More. Okay, so dito tayo. So here's the gate of Alder. That's the signage. It's not yet done. That's the gate. Okay. The signage is there. Let's make it bigger. Side, we have the swimming pool. So that's the lap pool, then leisure pool, then kiddie pool at the back. Okay. Then if you're going to enter that gate and you will go around, that's the rotunda, and then it goes to basement. There's the lounge. So there's the road. So from that gate, so entering from Banyan Road, so you can turn left here, going to Andea. Here we go. There's Andea, Manzuria, Oregon, and Sylvan. Okay. So this is the layout of the 3-bedroom that we're going to check. So this is a corner unit on the 4th floor. So the door or the kitchen is on the right. Okay. So here's the kitchen for the 3-bedroom. So this area is for the refrigerator, and that is for the stove. Okay. It's a good size. Okay. So these are the kitchen cabinets. Okay. So you have all the cabinets here. This one you can open sideways. Then that is for the range hood. Okay. So when you open this one, so there's the range hood. Okay. Then here, and also open this. Then you have a grease trap over there. This one, you cannot open. This one, you can pull. This one, cannot open. Okay, so only this, here and here, can be open. So on this side, cannot be open. Then you have the cabinet here. So you have the window here too. Then you can open that. Okay. You can put a frosted sticker here so that the neighbors cannot see you. Now here's the dining and the living area. So you have two windows here on the left side. And these windows can be open. Okay. The bulbs are warm white or yellow. Okay. Then if you're in a corner unit, you have two balconies. So this is the first balcony. Okay. Now we're on the fourth floor. This is what you're going to see. That's electrical. Okay. And that's the entrance. Ano ba? That's the entrance to the parking. Okay. And that is Cedar Crest. That building is where I normally shoot my videos. Okay. So anyway, so this is how it looks like. Yeah. Okay. See this? This is for the wiring of the socket for the split type aircon condenser or breaker. Okay. So I'm not sure if that has a wiring already. Otherwise, it will be done by the owner. So here you have the bathroom. Okay, so here's the bathroom and there's the area for washing machine or for storage. That's the breaker. So here in the bathroom, so there's that's the exhaust. Okay. So here you have a rain shower, and then you have this one for the toiletries. Then this knob is used to, if you pull it, push, eto, to make the water come out either here or there. Okay. So another thing to note is that this one, I am not sure if there is a wiring or not, and that is for the water heater. This, and that is for the water heater. Okay, so you also have here the toilet bowl. So you will see there's a separator. Okay, so you can put here either a shower curtain or a glass partition. Okay, you call that an angle bulb. So in case you want to add a bidet, so you can just connect the bidet there. Okay, and then here, this also does not have wiring. So as owners, you have to have this installed with wire, okay? And then ensure that the socket that you will put here has the waterproof cover. Kasi when you use the sink, of course, tatalsik yung water. So may possibility tumalsik yung water. So that one must have a cover. Okay. So beside the bathroom is another space for washing machine or can be storage. So this is how it looks like. Okay. So this is the plug for the washing machine. This is for the faucet. And that is for the drain. So you can use this for washing machine, as I've said, or you can put a cabinet here up to dun sa taas. I'll show you how it looks like on top. So naka-separate siya. It has a door. Yeah. Oh wait, I have to go back here. This is, diba? I showed you earlier. Okay, that is the plug for the range hood. In case you will put a range hood here, that is the connection. So again, I am not sure if there is already a wiring on that. So you need an electrician to check on all the wirings that has cover, kasi I'm not sure if that one has wiring already or not. So you see, if it's like this, it's already open and there's a socket, you know that it is usable already. But then if it has a cover, it might be usable or not. So again, this is the hallway. So you have here the 3 bedrooms. That is the master bedroom, the 2nd bedroom, and the 3rd bedroom. So this is the 3rd bedroom. May ginagawa pa si Kuya. Okay. So here in the 3rd bedroom, that's for the split type aircon. So here in Alder, you can only install split type aircons and not window type. So there you have a smoke detector and a sprinkler. So there's another sprinkler, smoke detector, sprinkler. Okay. Now this is the 2nd bedroom. So you can see, yeah, so each bedroom has a smoke detector and a sprinkler. You have the option to change the light. So this is the 2nd bedroom. Now you can open. Wait. You can open this. Oh, diba? Then you can get out here. Hey. So because in other condo units, you can only access the balcony through the master bedroom. So this one on the right is a fixed one. Okay. So you can open this. There's a glass door, and then here you have a screen. So screen siya. Tapos open, diba? Tapos here, when you close it, you can also lock it. And then there's also another window here. Okay? Yan, so ganyan siya. Since they are fixing something in the master bedroom, I will go here in the balcony first. So this is the size of the balcony for a corner unit. Ang laki, no? Okay. And this is the view. This is a back unit here in Andea. Okay. So you can see, oh, that's the park. Yan. So may park siya. Diyan. So you can see it from here. Oh, yan yung park. That's what you call linear park. Tapos this one is all trees. That's mahogany tree. Okay, let me show you the view. So this one is mahogany tree. Okay, that's the road. That's the access road. So it's full of trees, so you cannot see the road that much. That's the main door or the main gate of Mahogany Place 3. Okay. So again, that's the door. Yan. Then, when you turn left, that's going to Cedar Crest. That's M Residences. Yeah, tingnan natin. Yan. M Residences. That's Mulberry, Maple, Royal Palm, Rosewood. Okay. So, yan na yung access road. Okay. That is Amaranth Building of Cedar Crest. And yung mga electrical. Tapos, I think this one is generator. So here is how the second room looks like. So, mababa lang siya. Diba? Mababa lang yan. Tapos dito may drain. Okay? But you cannot do your laundry here, ah. Okay. Oh, by the way, I don't know if you can see. That's where the provision for the split type aircon. Okay. Ito yung balcony. And you have a big light. Yan. Tapos meron siyang exhaust dito sa gitna. Okay. Then you have a window, door ba? Okay, ito door. So, meron siyang door. Okay. Tapos, meron din siyang screen. Ito, screen. So, at night time, medyo mainit now, you can open this. Diba? Then you can enter. Medyo mataas siya. Okay, so this is the master bedroom. Ayan. I'll show you how the floor looks like. Ayan. So hindi siya perfect shape, ah. It's not like perfect square or rectangle. There are curves. Okay, so again, you have the sprinkler and the smoke detector. Okay. And then the aircon is placed here. Then the bedroom is en suite with a master bathroom. So this is how the bathroom looks like. Okay. So again here, like what I've shown you in the other bedroom, this does not have a wiring, maybe. And then if you put a socket here, make sure that there is a cover. Okay. Then also, you can install a glass here, or a mirror, I mean, a full mirror, or a cabinet, then with a mirror as a cover. So this one is the shower area. So meron siyang ganito. Okay? So you can either put a shower curtain here or a glass partition. And then here you have to put your toiletries. Okay? Then again, not sure if it has wiring already. That is for the water heater. Yeah. Okay. This is what you call a rain shower. Okay. And this is used to open the water. And ito naman to adjust if the water will come out from the rain shower or to the faucet. And here on this side, you have the toilet bowl. Again, there's no bidet, but there is already a provision for you to just put the bidet there, to connect the bidet. Okay? That is the angle valve. Then you might also want to put towel rack here, not there. Okay, towel rack here, and then maybe another rack here for storing your towel. Okay. So when we get out, so again, that's the 3-bedroom. So it has many socket. This one is for the telephone, landline. Okay. That is for, anyway. So there. So this is one of the 6 units that's turned over today. That's going to be turned over today, June 29, 2024. So there are 4 units to be turned over in the morning and another 2 in the afternoon. Then the next turnover date is July 6. So since Alder Residences does not have an occupancy permit yet, you can do the renovations, but you cannot move in yet. Okay. Also, there's no association dues collected yet. If you still need bank financing for Manzuria, Oregon, and Silva buildings, don't hesitate to contact me via WhatsApp or email. We also have other pre-selling units here in Acacia Estates, particularly in Mulberry Place, which is just beside the Acacia Estates Town Center. Now in the hallway, this is the exit. Yan. So meron siyang stairs. So nasa level 4 tayo. Then you have utility room, then electrical, auxiliary room. Okay. This is a 2-bedroom. Then here's how it looks like dito. Yan yung second floor. Okay. Diba nice? So you can see until 7th floor lang. So hindi siya nakakalula. And then also, you will notice that there's something like this. Ito. This one is for the plumbing of the unit so that they don't need to go inside the unit, especially if no one's there. Then this one is for the water meter. Ay, medyo mahirap siyang buksan. But that's for the water meter. Okay? Yeah. So normally the units in the middle are all 2 bedrooms, not unless if you got a tandem unit. When you say tandem, it means you got 2 bedrooms, two bedrooms, and then you did not ask the hindi ko makita. Hindi mo makita, no? Ito yung loob ng 2 bedroom. So we have like that. We have CCTV in the corner. So the unit is over there. Ganda, no? Yan. Okay, so this is the elevator naman. So here in the elevator, you have 2 on the left and then 2 on the right. So for this kind of floor, we have 22 units. Okay. Teka, let's go back there. I will show you this one. This is what you call lumivent. So, meron siyang butas. Yan. Ay! There's the butas. So, ganyan siya. That's the garden level. I think the second floor. Okay. Ah! That's where I normally take my videos. The past. This side. Ay! This is the elevator. Hindi pa tapos. Hindi pa tapos na, kuya? Yan. Okay pa.
Ground floor.
Okay, this is the ground floor. Yan, oh. Nililinis pa sila. So busy. Ang ganda, no? Yan. Okay. So this is the linear park that I showed you kanina. I'll walk around, ha? So this is modern artisanal architecture. Parang sa bahay to, ah. Okay. It's paint, cement. Ang ganda. Tapos yan yung mga lights. They're still cleaning. And there's the owner. Yan na siya. Yun. Nag-turn over ngayon. Tapos, ito yung games. Ito yung may ganito siya. Okay. So, meron pa itong isa. And then here, this is the bar. Okay. Then here, we have the female restroom, the male restroom, and the storage. Okay, tingnan natin ito. Hindi pa siya tapos. Okay? So, pero yan. Medyo mabaho pa. So, hindi pa tapos. Hindi pa pwede gamitin. Okay. Ang init. Ganda. B1, basement 1 of Andea. So these are the parking slots. Here on the left side, that's going to be the water station. Then this is going to be the laundry station. This is the water station. Yeah. Okay. I don't know what this is. This is maintenance room. So may space dyan. Okay. This is the admin office. Then this is the entertainment room. Hindi pa tapos. And this is where the convenience store will be. So, ito na yun. This is the parking. That's the elevator. And uwi na tayo. Ito na tayo. So, the parking is connected to the other buildings. Ito na yung palabas. Palabas ng Alder. Bye-bye! Ito na yung road. So, yan yung palabas. Tapos yan yung Andea. So, bawal pa pumasok dyan kasi hindi pa tapos yung gate. Ito na yung papasok ng parking. So, it's nice. Hindi lahat papasok doon. So, from that gate, dito ka papasok. Kakaroon yan ng barrier or boom. And the three bedroom that we check is that one. Okay. Thank you for watching. If you are interested in 2 bedrooms and 3 bedroom units that are for reselling, we still have some units available here in Alder Residences. We also have in Mulberry Place, which is just walking distance from here. Don't hesitate to contact me via Viber, WhatsApp, or email. The details can be found here or in the video description. Also, if you are a unit owner with a property within Acacia Estates and is looking for a licensed broker to assist you in renting out or selling your properties, don't hesitate to contact me as well. And of course, if you are a renter or a buyer, just reach out to me. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Bye!